Hey guys, so in this video we're going to do an unboxing of this cool thing right here. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Let's unbox this thing and let's have some fun. So this is how we charge it. A little USB connection to the top. And here we are 25 minutes later. Okay, so there's a little on button inside of here. We can kind of get to it here. It's in this little doodad. Kind of hard to get to. Let me see. Rotate that around. Press this on. There we go. And it turns that on with the LED lights. Now, next thing I'm supposed to be able to do is just kind of give it a little wrist flick, and it's supposed to start up. So let's see what happens here. Alright, let's try that again here. There it goes! It'll take some practice, I think. Try this little soft here. Not too bad. There we go. Turns it off. So let's see what we can do outside with it.
Oh God.
Not very high at all. Barely.
Okay.
Yeah. You gotta angle it towards me. Yep.
Okay, I'm kind of getting it now. Okay. Sorry.
I wish that got that, but I bet it didn't.
Go in a hole, okay?
There you go. Oh no! Oh no, you're not. No, you're not.
I'm gonna go way back here.
What?
See what I mean?
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh Jesus!
Oh no!
See? Oh crap! No! That's what's happening to me. It goes too high. Oh god.
Oh no.
Whoa! Crash.
Bam.
Uh-oh. Did you break it? Okay. How pretty. Uh-oh.
It's over. It's over.
It's over. Oh, that's nice.
Oh no!
Oh, that was a good one. Oh.
Alright, I think it's dead.
Okay.
Okay, so we've ran into some sad times, my friends. Unfortunately, this suddenly does not work. And you saw literally everything that we did with this ball, which was really not a lot. We got one whole use out of it after a full charge. And it's really disappointing to me because I was having a blast. This thing is really fun, just mess around with and everything. And we weren't really hard on it at all. I think the way this is made is if it collides with anything, it'll automatically shut off and everything. And the last time it collided with anything, it was just my shed or something like that, and it shut off like a few times where it hit the ground. So it's not that big of a deal, but unfortunately I plugged it in, the red light glows for the LED stating that it's charging, and I left it there for literally probably an hour. Took it off, and there's a button here that's supposed to turn it back on, and it is not turning back on. As soon as you hit that button, the LEDs are supposed to start coming up. After that, you give it that whip and it starts. So I'm going to be very sad. So FLYnova PRO, if you guys want to send me one to try to redo another review and see if it's working better, maybe this one's just bad, I don't know. But I'm sending this back because I got a whole 8 minutes of fun out of it. It was a blast. It was a fun 8 minutes because I got to see my girlfriend fall down trying to catch the stupid thing. But it only lasted 8 minutes. And for me right now, it's not worth that money. If you guys want to try this out though, maybe you're going to have better luck than I am. There's a link in the description below of where you can get this. Otherwise, kind of a fail on this one for me. But guys, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you subscribing and sharing and everything else. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.